Welcome to this video, The Boy Who Became the Terminator, the inspiring life of Arnold Schwarzenegger. We'll explore the incredible journey of a boy with big dreams. Today, we'll discover how a young boy from a small Austrian village became a world-famous champion and leader. Our goals are to see where Arnold grew up, learn about his hard work, and discover his big dreams. Imagine living in a tiny village surrounded by mountains. Could you imagine becoming a movie star across the world? Arnold didn't let his small start stop him from having huge dreams. Arnold was born in the small village of Thal, Austria. His family lived a very simple life without modern conveniences. Fun fact, he grew up in a small apartment that is now a museum. Arnold's father, a police officer, emphasized strength and health. Every morning, Arnold and his brother had to do chores and exercises before they were allowed to eat breakfast. His father encouraged competition in sports to see who was faster. Arnold played soccer on a local team and even practiced swimming in cold lakes. Time for a quick check. Is this statement true or false? Arnold grew up in a big city with lots of modern machines like refrigerators? The statement is false. Arnold grew up in a small village, and his home was very simple and old-fashioned. At 14, Arnold visited a gym and saw people lifting weights. He loved it instantly and decided to become the strongest man in the world and move to America. Arnold was deeply committed to his goal. He practiced lifting weights for many hours every day, even climbing through windows to train when the gym was closed. Remember, practice makes perfect, even when no one is watching. His hard work paid off as he started winning bodybuilding contests across Europe. At age 20, he became the youngest Mr. Universe ever, which was his ticket to the United States. Let's match some new words. Take a moment to match the vocabulary words on the left with their definitions on the right. Here are the correct answers. Bodybuilding matches with exercise to make muscles big. Champion is a person who wins a contest. Village is a very small town. And goal is something you work hard to do. Arriving in America was challenging. Arnold didn't speak much English and had little money, but he persevered, taking English classes and working as a bricklayer while continuing his training. Arnold believes that the mind is the limit. If your mind can envision it, you can achieve it. Remember this if you struggle with learning. Keep practicing to make your brain muscles stronger. Hard work helped Arnold become a world-famous actor. He played action heroes in films like The Terminator, but he also put in hours practicing his acting. Strength is more than just muscles. Arnold didn't stop at acting. He wanted to help people. So he ran for office and became the governor of California. He went from a small village boy to a leader of millions of people. Arnold had a big dream and worked every day to reach it. What is one big goal you have for yourself? Your goals might be anything, from learning an instrument, improving at a sport, or reading 10 books this month. Whatever it is, hard work is the key, just like Arnold showed us. Let's review Arnold's journey. Put these events in the correct order in your mind. Growing up in Austria, becoming governor, moving to America, and winning bodybuilding contests. The correct order is: first, growing up in a small village in Austria. Second, winning bodybuilding contests in Europe. Third, moving to America and learning English. And fourth, becoming the governor of California. Arnold's story teaches us that it doesn't matter where you start. If you have a goal and work hard, you can achieve anything. Go out and be great today.